going on YouTube? We back. Man, whew, feels good to be back, don't it? Man, every video we getting better and better. And like I told y'all before, we cranking it up a little notch. You know what I'm saying? Yo, got a banger. Got a banger. I haven't seen these in the stores. Look, I'm going to just get to it, yo. Shout out to Jimmy Jazz. Shout out to Jimmy Jazz. Yes. Jimmy Jazz did they thing today. Walked in the store, grabbed 2 pairs and was like, hey, give me 2 pairs. I need 2 pairs. Yo. 2 pairs. I mean, 2 different pairs, but you know what I mean. But let's get into these. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. Yo, I do not know the names of these shoes. I will give you in-depth reviews on them in separate videos because I think they deserve their own video. But I just wanted to do these pickups. Man, I just wanted to do these pickups to y'all. Get these shoes out to y'all. Just let y'all know. Shoes are in the stores. Let's go. So, first, before we go into this, I went to the mall to go to Finish Line to pick up the Miami, Florida Dunks, and I forgot the other color. That oranges and blue Dunks, like not a Syracuse, but somewhere like that dunk. That's what I went there to look for. See if they had them in stock. Finish Line was posting all these. Oh, come to the store. We got them. Such. And then I walk in there. All they got is the baby blue high top ones, which not a fan of. I got some highs, but just not really a fan of the highs. But let's get into these and let's go. First off, First off, we got an Air Jordan. What's in the box? I ain't seen this box at all. I ain't seen this box in a while. Y'all seen this box? Bam. Well, I ain't seen this box. So let's get into this shoe. Like I said, I'm not giving no in-depth review. I just really want to get the shoe to y'all, and then we go do reviews on them. Bam. So open it up. Let's see them here. Wham. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Bam. Yes. This is the Nike. What is this called? This is the Nike Low Craft. I wanna say it is. Yeah, Nike Low SC Craft. Do come with that extra set of laces, that blue laces in there. And hey, I ain't seen nothing better than this. This in person is clean. It's clean. You got some suede on here. You got the chopped off top. You got the ragged up there. Like I said, I ain't doing no in-depth review. I just really want to get this out to y'all to show a pickup. Yo, I think these gonna be clean. That gray bottom. This is clean. This is very clean. Yeah. You know, like a Jordan 1 smell. This is clean. I just want to add some more to my Jordan 1 Low collection. Bam. I think this come with just that color lace. Yeah. Bam. The extra set of laces. Bam. There we go. Let's sit these up here. Bam. Okay. Well, on to the next shoe. Nike is just not slowing down with the dunks. They not slowing down. And if y'all know, like I know, y'all will go get them now, because next year, when you trying to rock some shoes that's low top and you just want to rock it real swaggy, and you got to go on StockX, or you got to go on GOAT, or you got to go to eBay to get these shoes, and now they're going to be up, because the prices will go up next year for shoes you want this year. Trust and believe that. If it ain't nothing but $50 to $100, they're gonna go up. I'm telling you now. This happened last year around this time. You just start seeing shoes, just not seeing them, and then you start seeing them everywhere. Like, oh man, they sitting here. You was able to grab them. Then come Christmas time, I think last year around Christmas time they dropped the 11s. The 20th anniversary 11s, and after that everything sold out up until like now, fall. I'm just saying. That's just me saying what I'm saying. So, like I said, Nike Dunk Low. Get your dunks now. Get them now while you still can. The lows, the highs, whatever you can get. Because next year, I promise you, they will go up. I'm telling you now. Let's get into these. This is a Nike Dunk Low. I've seen these before. I do not know the name of these. Stadium green and old royal white. I don't know the name of these. I'll look it up and see whatever when I give y'all a real in-depth review on these. And bam. Bam, bam, bam. Listen. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. I do not know the name of these. All I know is it got the #1 fan all through it, which I think is a dope. Dope is dope, man. This color green on there, green is my favorite color, but this color green on here goes crazy. I definitely think you can get this off with a lot of fits. It just stood out to me. Normally I don't go for stuff like this. I do. But normally you just won't see me going or purchasing this. I think it's like some vinyl or whatever. The suede is crazy on there. That blue bottom, that clear blue bottom is crazy. I think these definitely you can get away with these. Yeah, I don't know what these are called. I'll look it up. I'll do an in-depth review on these. But yeah, yeah, like I said before, I don't know what these are called, man. I might need to look them up and see. Let me see if I can find the name of these right quick. Let me see. Foam finger. The Nike Dunk Low foam finger. Yeah, I guess if you going to a game, I guess you can get away with these. #1 fan is what they call foam finger. Definitely some decent material. But yeah, hey, we going up. We bringing y'all different heat to this channel, and we just gonna keep it up there, man. We definitely gonna keep it up there. And I just wanted to go over these pickups with y'all. Hey, this your boy Blacked Out Kicks coming to you with another banger. Do me a favor, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Matter of fact, finesse that bell so you can stay up to date on everything Blacked Out Kicks. And hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.